open my eyes. Looking through my window pane, feeling something I can't explain. Morning breeze upon my face fills my heart with so much grace. And I know, yes I know, that you're the reason that it's so. Simple truth I realize when I see the morning rise. Each morning brings the sunshine, some sunshine. Each morning brings you near, brings you near. Each morning brings you sunshine, brings you sunshine. And all my doubts just disappear. In the garden where we walk, where the birds sing as we talk, since you brought me to the light. And I feel, yes I feel, that this blessing here is real. Simple message from above, teaching me the way to love. Each morning brings you sunshine, brings you sunshine. Each morning brings you near, brings you sunshine. Each morning brings you near, brings you near. Each morning it disappear, brings you sunshine. And all my doubts just disappear. Some say life is hard to bear, hard to bear, hard to bear. But with you I'm always there, always there. In the morning, in the night, everything just feels so right. Each morning brings you sunshine, sunshine. Each morning brings you near, brings you near. Each morning brings you sunshine, sunshine. And all my doubts just disappear. Oh, sometimes I wonder why things go wrong, like the world ain't singing my song. But then I remember what the wise ones say about the power that comes when you pray. Walking down the street today, seeing people lost their way. Something tells me deep inside there's a truth we cannot hide. Every morning sunrise shows me how to realize that the answers that we need come from what we choose to see. Yeah. What you seek is what you find. What you find. Open up your heart and mind. Heart and mind. What you seek is what you find. Oh yeah. Trust yourself and you will shine. In the garden seeds that plant, growing just the way I want. Every flower, every tree, teach you lessons plain to see. and I water with my care. Beauty rises everywhere, and I know without a doubt all my faith will blossom mine. What you seek is what you find. What you find. Open up your heart and mind. Heart and mind. What you seek is what you find. Oh yeah. Trust yourself and you will shine. I know. Listen to your inner voice. Let it guide your every choice. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Every step on the way, leading to a brighter day. And you will shine. What you seek, what you find. What you seek. Trust yourself, do what you like. What you seek. Let your light shine. But some things stay hidden from your eyes. Palm trees swaying away, watch you dance through another day. Smiling wide but inside, something's missing, can't deny. Looking fine on the line, between pleasure and decline. While the sun beats down on this small island town. Sweet sunshine hides the pain, hides the pain. Sweet sunshine hides the pain. Oh yeah. Moving through the morning rain, morning rain. But sweet sunshine hides the pain. Bills keep piling while I'm trying to keep this smile alive. Empty plates, so we wait for the change to come our way. Barefoot steps in the sand, working hard just to stand. Paradise ain't free, not for you, not for me. Sweet sunshine hides the pain. Sweet sunshine hides the pain. Sunshine hides the pain. Pressure pushing day by day, rising, rising. System crushing, can't we say? Fighting, fighting. Tourist faces pass me by, never seeing how we try. Paradise has a price, some pay more than twice. Still we sing, still we rise, still we praise these bright skies. Through the strain, through the days, till we break these chains. Sweet sunshine hides the pain. Sweet sunshine hides the pain. Sunshine hides the pain. can't quite put my finger on it, but I know where it comes from. Every rule and every sign telling me how to move, how to breathe, how to be. Because of you, I wear these chains inside. Because of you, I can't be free tonight. Can't be free tonight. Makes me sigh, numbers stacking up so high, bills to pay and lines to sign, clock keeps ticking all the time. They say this is how it goes, this is just the way to live, but something deep inside me knows there's got to be another way. Because of you, I wear these chains inside. Because of you, free. What I'm learning day by day, how to break away, finding strength inside myself to make a change. Because of you, I wear these chains inside. But these chains won't hold me down. Tonight won't hold me down. Postcards, pretty pictures make it look so sweet. But let me tell you something about this paradise. Came here chasing what they advertise, palm trees swaying blue and crystal skies, working 2 jobs just to pay the rent. While tourists ask me why I look so spent. Yeah, they sat their photos on the beach while local life stays out of reach. Said this place once set my soul so free. Now I'm trapped in their economy. Paradise ain't what they sellin'. Paradise ain't what you see. Paradise is just a shellin'. Everyone's tried to break free. Boss man living in his mansion high, says be grateful for the crumbs we buy. Tourist dollars never trickle down to the people holding up this town. Watching cruise ships rolling in and out, while we're all here trying to figure out how to make it through another week, when the system's rigged so we stay weak. Paradise ain't what they sellin'. Paradise ain't what you see. Paradise is just a shellin'. Everyone's trying to break free. Listen up, let me break it down for real. Behind the resorts, that's where we reveal the truth about this fucked up paradise deal. Empty promises and crooked as appeals. They build up walls to keep the locals out, while poverty and pain is what we're all about. But still we rise, still we find our way through this bullshit scene day after day. You want the real? Come walk these streets with me. See how we live and tell me what you see. Ain't no paradise when you can't afford to live in the place that you were born, Lord. We keep on fighting, we keep on striving through all this madness. We keep surviving, but still we sun goes down. Still find joy as we move around. Can't let their system break our stride. Though paradise is just another lie. Paradise ain't what they sellin'. What they sellin'. Paradise ain't what you see. What you see. Paradise is just a shellin'. Just a shellin'. Everyone's trying to break free. Just be independent.